It's ringing. Class is about to start. We should go inside. Let's hurry up.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you today?
We are fine, thank you.
I'm happy to hear that. It's so great to see you again.
Teacher, may I open the window?
Certainly. It's very hot in the classroom today. Come in.
Good morning. I'm sorry I'm late. May I come in?
Yes, please. You may go to your place.
Thank you, teacher.
Who can tell me what day is it today? Please raise your hand. Emma, stand up.
It's Monday.
Very good. Sit down. What date is it? Jason,
It's September 17th.
speak louder, please. I can't hear you.
It's September 17th.
That's right. Did you do your homework?
Yes, we did.
Great. Let's check it. Please open your books to page 20. Let's read a text.
Teacher, may I ask you a question?
Yes, please.
What does that word mean?
Listen and repeat after me. Environment.
Environment. I don't understand. Can you repeat, please?
How do you spell it?
ENVIRONMENT. Please write down.
Excuse me, teacher. I don't have a pencil. May I borrow one from my classmates?
Yes, you may. Kate, please come to the blackboard. Please write the days of the week on the blackboard. Well done. You may go back to your place. Please be quiet. Stop talking and pay attention. What happened? What was that noise?
I'm sorry, teacher. I dropped my pencil case.
It's okay. Please pick it up. Who wants to clean the blackboard?
I do.
It's break time. Goodbye, students.
Goodbye, teacher.
Would you like to go outside in the schoolyard?
Yes, that's a very good idea. Let's go. I'd rather have a snack. I'm very hungry. What class is next? Sport. Do you like sport? Yes, I do. But I like music more. I love singing. What about you? Sport is okay, but my favorite class is geography. I enjoy traveling. What time is it?
It's 12 o'clock. It's lunchtime. Let's go to the cafeteria and have lunch.
Yes, let's go. I'm starving. How's your lunch, Paul?
It's delicious. I like rice very much. What about yours?
It's great. I have spaghetti. It smells terrific. The school is over. It's time to go home. Would you like to come over to my place in the afternoon and play basketball? Yes, I would love to. Great! I can't wait. See you later then.